Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Acorn Lamp in Cookie Run Kingdom. This charming decor item isn't just for looks, it offers a helpful boost to your kingdom's stats. We'll cover the primary methods for acquiring it, whether through limited time events or by crafting. Understanding these steps will help you add this valuable item to your collection and enhance your kingdom's power. Let's dive into the details of securing your very own Acorn Lamp. One common way to get the Acorn Lamp is through special in-game events. These events are often time-limited, so it's crucial to keep an eye on the game's announcements and event banners. By actively participating in event missions and challenges, you can earn event-specific currency or directly receive the lamp as a reward. Make sure to complete all event objectives before the deadline to avoid missing out on this unique item. Another method for obtaining the Acorn Lamp involves crafting it within your kingdom. This usually takes place at the carpentry shop, where you can combine various materials. You'll typically need items such as wood and berries. Always check the crafting menu to see the exact material requirements and the time it will take to complete the crafting process. Planning ahead ensures you have all necessary resources. To maximize your chances of getting the Acorn Lamp, consistency is key. Log in daily to gather resources, check for new events, and complete your daily missions. Joining an active guild can also provide additional opportunities for rewards and resources that might help. Remember to save your valuable resources, like golden acorns and specific crafting materials, for when the Acorn Lamp becomes available. Happy hunting for your new kingdom decor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.